So sisebenzisa lesi sikhathi to transfer and share significant things with you ukuthi usesikoleni uyafunda njengamanje, especially manje ungalibeli entertainer nezinto zobumnyama abantu abazenzayo. Or you can simply stick to my TikTok. Yeah, I'll pray for you, guide you. Ubuza imibuzo mzalwane, buza imibuzo, umelo obala ubuza imibuzo uzosizakala, because yabona nje indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo ususaba ngisho ukurefer abantu ukuthi abayephi, because awusathembi kwakona lapho. You know, kukhona ama level of expertise. Odokotela, they don't hesitate to say, okay, I'm a cardiologist, go to the optometrist, go to the surgeon. I mean, I'm a general doctor, but go to that doctor who specializes in ngalokho nalokho. La ka Jesu bafethu akuselula ukuthi urefer umuntu kwi-specialty, because of izindlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo. Umuntu usumrefer nje, usumfundisa umoya engcwele. Isikhathi lesi njengase Russia, eRussia nase-Ukraine, isikhathi sokuthi sifundise umuntu at individual level ukuthi uzithandazela kanjani, ulifunda kanjani iBhayibheli, ukhuluma kanjani noNkulunkulu akhulume nawe. Phela usuwamkela uJesu. I'm under the assumption of that usuwamkela uJesu, usuyakholwa ukuthi uJesu uNkulunkulu, usuyakholwa futhi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu. Phela iqala lapho indaba ukuthi awungabazi ukuthi uJesu uNkulunkulu, awungabazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu. Finish. Then ke sesiyakufaka ke wonke lama programmings nalama applications lawo owadinga, ngoba usuyi system that is ready to receive all these things eziqhamuka kuNkulunkulu. Enye yezinto enzakalayo manje siyathola ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi ukukhonza uNkulunkulu kuyi-democracy. God is never democratic. Heaven is not a republic. It's the kingdom of God. That is where God is law. That is where what God says is law. Same like the kingdom of Swaziland and the Republic of South Africa. Swaziland is not a republic. Swaziland is the kingdom. It's a monarch. And then we have South Africa. South Africa, that's a location. But the Republic of South Africa, the republic, it's a republic. So the government is the government by the people, for the people, because of the people. And the government is the people. When I must say the government is the people, South Africa ngoba abantu base South Africa abafuna sibe njalo. That is why ngitshena ukuthi ngiyeNgilandi, because I want to develop myself. Angikwazi kulwa nento abantu abayiyona. Abantu base South Africa bayakuthanda ukuthi South Africa kube nje. Ukuba bakuthandi ngaba ngihleli la groundini manje. Abantu bala South Africa bayithanda le enva. This is the South Africa that they want. Mawuthi wena uzoshintsha izinto uzobahlukumeza. Bazokubiza ngeapartheid. Bayakuthanda izinto abayithandayo. So okunye nje bazokuvumela to a certain degree, kodwa bayathanda ukuthi kube nje, and futhi kuya ngokuya kuba yilento abafuna ukuthi kube yiyona. And noma ungayi-challenge leyo nto, noma ungathini, angeke kushintshe. Ayindawo indlela izinto selokwathi inhloko nje yini yenza ukuthi kube nje, selokwathi inhloko akushintshe kunje. So as adults ngiyayithanda into esho sisoma omdala, ayithi phela we are adults, sabantu abasikhulile phela nawe manje awuyona ingane. Kuba ngazi to press a certain button in my mind, my session njalo. To adults, ake sikhulume ke njengabantu abadala. as adults. No, not as kids anymore. Sibadala phela manje. I'm 30 something, you are beyond 25. So let us talk like adults. Iyaphi ke lento esiyikhulumayo. Because phela manje mase siwubukile umdlalo sahleka, sibuka indaba sahleka. Njengabantu abadala, ama adults. Kufanele sifike la khona sithi hayibo kuphela bazalwana naye. Khona isikhathi sokudlala sidlalisane, but khona isikhathi la kufanele sifike khona la sikhuluma khona izinto. Sikhuluma njengabantu abadala ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani. What really is going on? Phela sabantu abadala asizona ingane. I mean like sagqoka ama t-shirts, saya ekoleni, saba nama mentor. Senza izinto abanye abantu bakwamanye amazwe abathi mabesibuka sizenza lezo zinto bathi lo muntu akufune ngabula kodwa still impilo yami isafana. No, kusho ukuthi there is something wrong, and as umuntu ofundayo umlando ufuna ngisheshe ngi-understand. Yeah, aphela we adults, sabantu abadala phela manje asisizingane anymore. Unokufana noma ufike ekhaya khona izinto ezazenziwa uyingane ungakwazi ukuthi usho lutho, but as you grow up masumdala uyasho ukuthi hayibo sesibadala phela manje, sesaphela isikhathi la sasithula kwenziwa lezi zinto enje phambi kwethu. Sibadala phela manje, ayisakwazi ukuqhubeka impilo ibe nje noma sesibadala. No, lothi niphuza utshwala niphinde nibunike nami nidelane nithukane naphambi kwami. Ubhema ugwayi ngikhona, phuza utshwala uzobukhathaze ngisho nasekudleni esizokudla sonke. Phela sesibadala manje, mhlawumbe leyo nto ubungayenza. Like siyakubona uyahola every month uhola u-90,000 80,000, you are appearing in parliament kodwa umsebenzi asiwuboni. Ucabanga ukuthi crime izophela kanjani? Waphela every day sikuzwa usukuma on a public platform udeclare ukuthi you have failed to do the work, but thina we have never failed to pay you. Waphela abantu bayakhuluma ukuthi uminister usesihlalweni lapho uyahola, uzositshena as a nation ukuthi usehlulekile ukwenza umsebenzi othize, ubengaholi yini? Ubeholelani? Kwakhona uminister wokuthi nokuthi ezweni kodwa ngangaba nakho lokho mina ngibe ngikhokha. Phela abantu abalapha bazalana abekho laba ngoba beyindlalifa zamaqembu lawalwela la kuthiwa alwela inkululeko. Balapha ngoba bengene kwi-process yokuprocess ukuthi kuthiwe ba-qualified ukuthi babe lapha. So why bengayivesithela behola? I'm sure nawe mawucasha umuntu wathi akacenta igceke, wathi mawubuya ntambama wakutshengisa iroof yakho ukuthi useyihuvarishile wayenza ya clean iroof yakho, uzombuza umbuzo ukuthi ngoba ekseni ngithe kuwena ngikwenze kwaqeke ngaze ngakutshengisa yonke iyadi ukuthi ngifuna ungicentela igceke ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi yini le engikwenza ukuthi ngithi centa igceke. Why ukuthathe wena uthathe initiative yokuthi uyokwenza iroof ingashongo mina ukuthi uyokwenza iroof? Yes, ngiyabonga mfethu wenza umsebenzi omuhle, but now ngiqashele ukuthi uzongicentela igceke. Why uzoba nama expects entweni engaqashelanga yona phela lo 10,000 engizokunikeza wona manje ukuthi wena wenza landscaping. I-landscaping angiqashelanga la ukuthi uzongenzela iroof, uzokwenza iroofing. Yinhle liyacobezela uphahla lami ngiyabona ususe zonke ikhokho lezi kade zilapha namahlamvu kade emila phezulu nezihlahla kade emila lapha kubesters wami ngiyabonga, but then awuyenza into engithe yenza. So as abantu abafunda history ke ay bazalana yabo, a couple of months ago bengikublame ukuthi why are we losing abantu ama game changers from our country beya kwamanye amazwe. I'm realizing ukuthi ayikufanele phela omunye umuntu khona omunye umuntu ongekazi asho ukuthi uzobuka athi 1 2 1 2 just find my way out.